Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I've been going through the motion of finals, y'all, not gonna lie. So school has been taking up a lot of my time, but today is the last week before finals and I know that I've been gone for a minute, so I'm like, I want to film a video. And I just got a new fragrance, so why not just share my thoughts on the YouTube. And you know, we can do it's one more final left. I'm prepared, so we can wait. But anyway, so hey guys, welcome back to the old people and welcome new people. Thank you guys for stopping here. I love the family that we have created on this channel and we're about to keep it going. So I see all you new subscribers. So today's video is going to be a YouTube made me buy it. I've never done this, but this was actually, okay, there's a story behind this fragrance. So I actually discovered this fragrance around the first time that I started to do my fragrance collection, and I found it through YouTube, and that was whenever it wasn't really any reviews on it. It was just online, from mainly like Middle Eastern YouTubers, and there would be like, you know, 20-second videos or whatever, like really old. So then I seen it blown up on YouTube again, and I'm like, you know what, I need to try this one. It's been on my list since I started my collection, but I was scared because I just started getting into fragrances, so it's a whole story. But anyways, so that is Lattafa Raghba. Okay, so I got the little 1 ounce bottle. I placed this order on Mercari. I was gonna do it through Amazon, but they were like coming from different parts of the world and it would take like a month to get here, and I'm like, I need it now. So I purchased it on Mercari. I got this little 1 ounce bottle for about $20. So yeah, really cheap, really inexpensive. And like I said before, I really don't need anything bigger than 1 ounce in my collection. So I'm trying to stick with the 1.7 ounce at max, but 3.4s I really don't want to go for. And I wasn't sure about how I would feel about this fragrance because it does have oud in it. Now, me and oud, I'm not sure. Okay, I wasn't really sure because I heard a lot of things about you'll either like oud or you'll really hate oud. So then I got Kayali's invite only, and the oud in there, nothing offsetted me about it. So I thought maybe I am a oud girl. So this was another one where I was like, this is gonna be some real like oud, because this one is nothing like Amber 23. So we're gonna look at the notes on this one, or Fragrantica. And y'all, I did spray one spray yesterday to start out my day, and we will get into this. Okay, it's just so much about this one. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm excited to be back on here. Hey, yeah, I'm so excited to be back on here. Okay, so the main accords for Raghba's Lattafa are vanilla, sweet, oud, powdery, amber, balsamic, smoky, woody, warm, spicy, and musky. The notes are vanilla, agar wood, which is oud, sugar, incense, sandalwood, and musk. Now, I know I like vanilla, I know I like sandalwood and musk, but the oud, never had a fragrance with incense and sugar. I'm like, okay, well, we'll just see. So I was like, I'm going out on a whim. It is winter time, like winter fragrances have came out, and this has been on people's list too, so I'm like, let me get it because I really don't have a lot of winter fragrances either. So I'm gonna spray this one and I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about it. Okay, now remember, I only sprayed one spray yesterday, okay, because I was ooh, choked me up. This one's a beast mode fragrance, okay. But yeah, I only sprayed one spray yesterday, so that's all I got from it. And I was like, I want the rest of my impression to be here on YouTube in front of y'all, so y'all can see my thought process. Okay, okay, so at first I get the vanilla for sure, and I'm getting the oud because I read that oud gives you like a nutty vibe, and I smell incense. So when I sprayed this fragrance yesterday, y'all, I sprayed it on the inside of my elbow early in the morning in one spray because I was like, I'm gonna just test it throughout the day, throughout the whole work day. That fragrance lasted on my skin all night. Even when I took a shower that night, it was still on my skin. Like, this is a beast smoke fragrance, and it's not like I couldn't smell it. Like, I could smell it coming from the sleeves of my jacket. Whenever I was outside walking around or driving, I could smell it come from the sleeve from one spray, y'all. This one, I really don't know how to describe it. It's very boozy to me, almost like a rum, like alcohol, like boozy, nighttime. Like, this reminds me of like a daring woman. Like, she came out with her best fit on. Like, she came out with her red. She might have on some pumps, and she's very mysterious, and like, you can smell her when she passes through the room. That's what this vibe gives me. It definitely has the sweet side from the vanilla, and the nuttiness of the oud is starting to come out more. But it's like, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I don't. But I will say, I'm gonna have to, you know, wear this one some more. But I will say, so far the smell on this one is a 10 out of 10. Okay, the sillage, 10 out of 10. The projection, 10 out of 10. Okay, Raghba's Lattafa. But I will say, it was only a safe blind buy for me because I kind of feel like I'm able to adapt to fragrances, and I'm very wide spectrum now. But it is not a safe blind buy. If somebody, well, I mean, I guess it can be because it's so cheap. Like, it's like, okay, you blind bought it, $20, it didn't work out, okay, cool. But if you were looking for this to be with the scent and like things like that, this is probably not the best blind buy. I'm not gonna lie to you. But y'all, I need, like, it smells so good. And I didn't think I would really like enjoy it as much. I know I like it, but I'm waiting for something to do for me to be able to wear this out. Like, seriously, this, I'm waiting. Ooh, it smells so good. And so that is the end of today's video. This was really like a first impression, so sorry if I don't know what exactly to say about it yet. But if you guys want an updated video on what I think about it, we can do an updated video too. We can make this a 2-part if that's really what you want. Y'all let me know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.